14th kanji. 14th, the meaning of this kanji father. The father. So here the stroke of that kanji, the first stroke, first, second, third, fourth. The father, first, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. The stroke of that kanji, so sound is fu to chichi. Fu to chichi. So here the word, sound and meaning. So word o, we know that this is hiragana o. This is the father kanji. The sound here is oto. Oto, here is also hiragana. Oto san. Oto san, means a father. Summon father. Oto san. Oto san, summon father. For polite, so here is used o, polite. Oto san, a father. Oto san. So here is first, second, third, fourth. Chichi no hi. Chichi no hi, that means Father's Day. Chichi no hi, Father's Day. Chichi no hi, that means Father's Day. So again, chichi oya. Chi, this is chichi oya. Oya here, the first vertical one, second horizontal one, little inclined both, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And again here each ni san, later this and that. So oya, chichi oya, father. Chichi oya, father. Chichi oya, father.